Hey everyone, welcome back to SmartHome. Today, we're going to show you how to reset your Google Nest smart speaker. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or preparing to sell your device, resetting can resolve many common problems. Let's get started. Step 1. Power off the speaker. First, locate your Google Nest smart speaker. To begin the reset process, ensure the speaker is powered on. If it's already on, go ahead and unplug it from the power source. Wait for about 10 seconds to ensure it fully powers down. Step 2. Factory Reset Button. Next, look for the Factory Reset button on your Google Nest speaker. This button is usually located at the bottom or back of the device. It may be small and recessed, so you might need a paperclip or a similar tool to press it. Step 3. Press and hold the reset button. With your paperclip ready, press and hold the reset button. Keep holding it down for at least 15 seconds. You'll notice the lights on the speaker may blink or change colors during this process. Continue holding until you see the lights flash in a specific pattern or hear an audio confirmation, indicating that the reset is in progress. Step 4. Release the button. After the reset process begins, release the reset button. Your Google Nest speaker will now start to reset to its factory settings. This process may take a few moments as the speaker clears its memory and settings. Step 5. Set up your speaker again. Once the reset is complete, the speaker will restart and power on automatically. You'll need to set it up again as if it were brand new. Use the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet to connect the speaker to your Wi-Fi network and customize its settings. Conclusion. That's it. You successfully reset your Google Nest smart speaker. Remember, resetting your speaker can resolve many issues and prepare it for a fresh start. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thank you.